Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pick up the Quick Selection brush from the Tools panel and drag over the area you want to select. You don't need to be too precise because the brush works intuitively. Leave it to the Refine Edge brush. The Refine Edge brush tool helps to include fuzzy areas like hair or fur. 23 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to blur edges in Photoshop. Define the area for feathering. Tools panel, Marquee menu, Elliptical Marquee tool. Feather the edges. Select, Modify, Feather, Shift plus F6, inverse the selection. Select, Inverse, Shift plus Ctrl plus L, choose the color. Adjustments, Solid color.
Take our lead.
Select the Refine Edge brush tool on the left side, or press R on the keyboard. Brush over the areas you want Photoshop to refine. Feel free to adjust the size and type of the brush in the brush drop-down menu to be as accurate as you need. To refine the selection further, you can also check Decontaminate Colors. 24 October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
To fix this common issue, create a mask from your selection and go into the Properties window. Here you'll find the sliders in question. Increase the Smooth slider slightly to smooth out those rough edges. After that, use the Feather slider to slightly envelope the area in question to ensure no areas are lost. 12 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Darken. The Darken blending mode looks at the luminance values in each of the RGB channels and selects either the base color or blend color depending on which is darker. Simply put, this blending mode does not blend pixels, it only compares the base and blend colors, and it keeps the darkest of the two.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.